Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the bike for efficient use. Verify tire pressure and set the assistance to a low eco level right away. Once done, inspect the battery mount and connectors for corrosion and update firmware if an update reduces power waste. Make sure to use the original or certified charger and avoid trickle charging overnight. Do these first actions to prevent unnecessary drain and establish a baseline where every later technique builds on a well-maintained system. You now adjust how you ride and configure settings to keep battery consumption low. Shift early and maintain a steady cadence between 60 and 80 revolutions per minute so the motor runs in its efficient band. This reduces current spikes. Once you've settled into steady pedaling, limit high-power assist and avoid repeated full-throttle accelerations. Make use of regenerative braking sparingly on long descents coast when possible, because frequent regen cycles warm the battery and reduce net gains in most systems. You finish by managing charging and storage to preserve capacity over time. Charge to around 80 to 90% for regular use. Reserve full charges for long trips and never store a battery fully charged or fully depleted. Once charged, keep the pack in a moderate temperature range and remove it from the bike if you expect extreme heat or cold. If you notice sudden range loss, run diagnostics. Check for loose connections, abnormal cell voltages on the BMS, and have a technician test internal resistance if problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.